Okay, lasso. Okay, in the Rodrigo, di carire.
Sa naro so.
Vero. Sa, naro, so.
Oh.
Okay, vero. Okay. Tadi in the Tarala, Dara, Darala, di carire.
Sorry, Lama. Cannot remember.
Ke mare. Ra,
Ra.
kiku.
Yes. Ooh.
Ra, kiku,
Ra.
ri.
Oh, Ra Kikuri.
That's it, that's it. Yanker in the Darala, di carire.
Ra Kikure.
Di.
Ra.
That's it, that's it. Di carire, Darala.
Uh,
Mhm.
ha.
Ra. In the Darala, di carire.
Ra Kikure.
Ri, ri.
Ri. Ri.
E. Very good.
Okay.
Okay. In the McGregor la di carire.
Sa Zengbu no Ma Zengbu Me.
Ma dengpo me. Well, that's it. Okay. In the Sonjala di carire.
Ba Shapyu Bu.
Well, that's it. And I suggest you to also practice writing. So we learn writing, reading, speaking, listening, everything together. Okay? And then we learn quick. Then you can go learn Dharma. Okay. Okay. So in the Hawana, 건다 하나사와 하나사와라 디 카레레
Ba Shapkyo. Bu. Bu.
부, 파, 샵규,
Bu.
부. 빼고. Okay,
Bu.
that's it. 자, 인다 뉴르말라 디 카레레.
Sa.
레레 빼고. Okay. 뉴르말라 양결인다 디 카레레.
Sa Naro So.
빼고. So. Okay. 1 minute, please. 트레실라 디 카레레. Hello. 트레실라 인다 디 카레레. Yeah, Joe Chen la in the Joe Chen.
I didn't join last time, so I have no idea. Sorry.
Okay, no problem. I have sent the video there. You
Okay.
can watch it and learn it. So no problem. Di
Okay.
ra
Di
ra
Ra
ra me
Ra.
hmm,
Okay.
ra.
Ra.
Okay. Yeah. Loa, you can repeat after me. Pa. Pa. Ma. Ma.
Ma.
Pa. Ma.
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 Ma. Okay.
Ma.
The di in the. Ah.
Ah. 아,
Mm. Ah. Okay.
아,
아,
Okay. Tadinda. Ra.
라,
Ra.
라,
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 Oh yeah. Okay. Tadinda. Sa.
사,
Sa.
싸, 싸,
사,
사,
Mm.
사,
싸,
사,
Okay. Oh yeah. Tadinda. Ha.
하,
Ha.
하,
하,
Mm.
하,
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 Okay.
하,
Yabudu. Tadinda. Ah. Ah.
아,
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 Mm.
아,
That's it. Okay. So yesterday's lesson, most important, these three root sound. Ah, ha, ah. Okay. Then all the other alphabet comes under this. Hmm. Okay. Linda. Let's do a little bit revision. Rodrigo la di carire.
하,
Ha. Okay.
하,
Do some. Okay. Okay. Tadinda. Nyurmala di carire.
아, 기구, 이,
That's it. E. So this kiku you can attach to any alphabet and it makes the sound E. Right? Ah,
기,
kiku,
Ah.
E. Ra,
E,
kiku, Ri.
이,
Sa, kiku, Si. Pa, kiku, Pi. Like that. Okay. Kainda, sonjala, di karire.
아, 갸퓨, 우,
That's it. Yabudu. Ah, shabkyu, U. Pa, shabkyu, Pu. Ma, shabkyu, Mu. Ra, shabkyu, Ru. Like that. Okay. Now in the McGregor la di karire.
Ah, Jingbo A.
Beawo. Okay. Ah, dengbo, E. Sa, dengbo, Se. Pa, dengbo, Pe. Ma, dengbo, Me. Ra, dengbo, Re. Like this. Beawo. Okay. Now in the Hanala di karire.
아, 나로, 오,
That's it.
마모,
Ma, naro, mo. Sa, naro, so. Like this. There. So you see, these are acting as a four vowel for Tibetan language. Okay? I, kiku, I, shabkyu, U, dengpo, E, naro, O. Just like that. Okay. Patila, di karire.
Sa dengpo se.
That's it. Yabuduk. Oh, Katerina la di karire. Katerina la. Hello. Katerina. 좀 첸라인다. 좀
사,
첸라
기구.
디카레레.
사, 기구, 시.
That's it. 야부 정도. 자잘라 디카레레.
Sa, naroso.
That's it. So, okay. 조첸라 디카레레.
라,
라.
Ra,
오케이.
ra,
조첸라 디카레레.
uh,
라
don't know.
키쿠.
Ra, kiku, ru,
리.
i,
리.
ri,
음,
ri.
That's it.
Okay.
So Jochenla, you need to review the older
Yeah,
video also. Okay.
sure.
So
Okay.
today you just enjoy a little bit.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. 라소. 다인다. 손자라인다. 이 가르레.
Ma, kikumi.
That's it. 배워. 7 billion me. 봐봐. 오케이. 알로나라인다. 이 가르레. 알로나 요새 말해. 가만히.
Pa, pa.
봐.
Naro, po.
That's it. 봐.
Pa,
나로.
naro, po.
고. That's it. Okay. 야구둑. Okay. 따인다. 띠인다. 디스코. 조첸라인다. 조첸라 니 가리레.
Ra,
기구.
kiku, three.
That's it. 라, 기구, 리.
Ra, kiku, three.
리. That's it. Okay. 야구둑. 오케이. 따인다. 아! 아!
아,
싸! 싸!
싸,
따디인다. 빠! 빠!
아,
오케이. 따인다. 로드리고라 디 가리레.
빠,
That's
빠.
빠. As you can see, all of these are under a category. Right? 아, 싸, 빠. Just like that. 따디인다. 마, 마.
마,
나, 나. 나.
나,
따디인다. 라, 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 라.
라,
이, 라.
라,
오케이. 따디인다. 가, 가.
가, 가,
Ka.
가, 가.
가, 가,
오케이. Tadinda. Ta. Ta.
타, 타,
Da.
Da.
Mare. Da. Mare.
타,
Ta. Ta. Ah. Ta. Hmm?
아,
Okay.
아,
I'm not saying da. You can hear the difference. Da and ta.
아,
Da. Ta.
아,
This is
아,
ta. Ta. Hmm? Okay. When you say da, it's a little bit bolder. It's not that one. Okay. It sounds similar, but very different. One is bolder, one is soft. Da, ta. Da, ta. Like this. But this one, ta. Ta. Okay. Di, yeah, Rodrigo la inda, di karire.
다,
Di karire, yanker sungtang. Again.
파,
Pa. There. Okay. Let's write down the.
가,
Okay.
가, 파,
Let's write down the new one. Pa. Na. La.
나,
Rest of them we did it yesterday. As you can see, ah, sa, pa together, one category. The rest of them are in the ah category. You can, when you hear it, you can notice it. Okay. Let's write down this little bit. Na, na. Bite your
나,
tongue between the teeth. Na.
나,
Hmm?
나,
La. La.
La.
Okay. Yeah. Ka. Ka.
타, 타,
Ta. Ta. Pa. Pa. Okay, let's write down Tia. Ah, pa, ta, ka, ma, na, la. As you write down, you can read it in your mind or you can say it with your mouth, no problem. It will help you a lot.
마, 나, 라, 가, 가, 가.
Okay. Ainda. Okay, Sonjala, Dilotang, Di Karere.
라, 라, 키쿠, 리.
That's it. La, Kiku, Li. Li. Okay. Tadi inda. Oh, McGregor la, Dilotang, Di Karere.
La naro lo ma lo ma.
That's it. Loma. Peago. Please don't translate it. You can write, draw it. It doesn't matter if it's bad or good. It's better than translating. La, naro, lo, ma, loma. Okay. Rodrigo Mare Dinda. Alonala. Let's try this.
Ba. Shaku.
Shakyu.
Ba shaku. Bu. Ka. Shaku. Ku. Ba ku.
Buku.
Buku. Buku.
That's it. Okay, very good. We are doing good. Puku. Okay. Puku. Pa. Shapkyu. Pu. Ka. Shapkyu. Ku. Puku. Okay.
Is Puku baby?
Re. Puku. Baby mare kit. Double re.
Child.
Child. Okay. Yeah, Patila in the Dikharere.
Pa chapju ku. Ra. Ku.
That's it. Peago. You see, there is no dot in between them. So you have to read them together. It's not kura, kur, it's kur, right? Peago, Patila, very good. Peago. Lasso. In the Darala in the Dilothan. Tha, Dengpo, The, Pa, Thep. Okay.
Not tha, kiku,
Kikumare, Dengpo.
or dengpo. Okay.
Hmm?
Okay.
Tha, Dengpo, The, Pa, Thep.
Hep. Okay. Hep.
Thep.
Tha, dengpo.
The, Pa, Thep.
Hep. Okay.
Okay. The Nurmala in the Nurmala, Dikharere.
Ma. Kiku. Mi. Ka. Mik.
That's it. Mik. Ma, Kiku, Mi, Ka, Mik. Okay. Tia. Tom Chen la in the Dikharere.
Ka, Shakyu, Ku, Lar, Kru.
Peago. Very good. Ka, Shakyu, Ku, Ra, Kur. Peago. Okay. Now, Jajala in the Dikharere.
Ma, Kiku, Mi, Ka, Mik.
That's it. Mik. Okay. Jajala Di in the
La, Naro, Lo, Ma, Loma.
Verbo, verbo. That's it. Okay.
Sorry, can I ask why is there Loma and not Lom?
Because you can see there is two dots there in between
There are
them.
two dots. Okay,
Those
we
dots, we
I
call
can
them check. And when there is a check, you have to read it separately. If there is no check, no dot, you have to read it together. Okay?
Cannot see the dots.
Oh, you can see in this black one, it's same like this. Sorry.
See, okay.
Maybe I will make it larger. Can you see
Yeah.
now?
Yes, yes, okay. So there is a separation, yes, okay.
Okay. So in the bottom, you can see there is no dot between them, no check between them. Okay. Yeah, di inda. Alona la di karere.
La, Kiku, Lu,
E
Li,
sound.
Li.
That's it. Well, la, kiku, li. Okay. Yabuduk. Oh, darala inda, darala. Darala di karere. Darala.
Yes, okay. Pa, ku
Shabku.
or sharp Q, okay.
Pa, shabku, pu.
Pa, sharp Q,
Pu.
pu,
Mm-hmm.
okay. And then next one is ka, ka,
Shabku.
again sharp Q, ku,
That's it.
ku.
That's it. That's it. Pa, shabku, pu. Ka, shabku, ku. Puku. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, darala yankerinda. Di karere. Di karere.
Ka, sharp Q, r,
Ka, shabku, ku, ra.
r.
And together,
Ku,
that's it. Yabudu. Ka, shabku, ku, ra, kur,
kur,
kur, kur. Okay.
means house,
Kur.
House or tent? House or tent?
House mare, the tent re.
Okay.
Okay. Ainda. Oh, Nyurmala inda. Di karere.
Ta tingpo te pa dip
Peago. Okay. McGregor la inda. Di karere.
Ma, Kiku, Mi, Ka, Mik.
Peago. That's it. Okay. Pa. Pa. Ka. Ka. Ta. Ta. You can practice writing here. Hmm. Oh yeah. Sonjala in the di karere.
Pa.
Mm-hmm. There. Okay. I will have some. Ka. Tha.
Ha, ha, ha,
La.
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 Mm-hmm.
Pa, kha, tha, la.
Mm-hmm. Pada kha la. Pa. Tha. Kha. La. Okay. Okay, Rodrigo la in the di karere. Di karere.
Lom. La. Naro. O. Ma. Lom.
Lo mare. La naru lo. There is a dot between them. Right? La naru lo. Ma. Loma. If you remember. This is not the one. It's a crisscross game. So I'm just asking, look at the picture if you know or not. Okay? It's not the right one. Right on the side. It's not the right side letter. It's a crisscross exercise. Okay. Dainda. Okay, let's see if you can write this down. I will say it from the mouth. Okay? La, shapkyu, lu, ka, look. La, shapkyu, lu, ka, look. Let's try this. If become wrong, no problem. Try it. Okay?
Look.
I'm saying them together so there is no dot between them. La, shapkyu, lu, ka, look.
Look.
We know ra already. Ra. Now look. Like that. La, shapkyu,
Sakha is here.
lu, ka, look. Okay, let me show you how you write it. This is the right spelling. And you can correct it. Okay? La, shapkyu, lu, ka, look. They missed the dot after the ka. You can write it. Okay? La, shapkyu, lu, ka, look. Okay. The Rodrigo la in the Rodrigo la di karere. Di karere.
La, Naro, Lo, Ma, Loma.
That's it. La, Naro, Lo, Ma, Loma. Let's check here. Okay. La, Naro, Lo, Ma, Loma. Okay. La, Naro, Lo, Ma, Loma. Okay. If you cannot write quick, you can write it later. No problem. Now, let's try this. La, Ma, Lam.
La,
Listen to my voice and try to write it. La, Ma, Lam, Lam. La, Ma, Lam. You will hear this word in Buddhism many times. Lamrin, Lamrin. Maybe you have heard this.
So is this road then?
Re, re, re. La, Ma, Lam. Okay? Here. La, Ma, Lam.
Sorry, how do you call this dot?
Tsek, tsek.
Tsek. Tsek.
We call them tsek. Put, tsek, put, tsek. Like that. La, Ma, Lam. Okay, that's it. Now, the Inda. Ma, Ra, Mar. Ma, Ra, Mar. Ma, Ra, Mar. Okay, let's check. Ma, Ra, Mar. Ma, Ra, Mar.
So mar is cheese.
Mar, Mar, butter, butter.
Butter. Okay, not cheese, butter. Okay.
Cheese, Mare. Okay. Ma, Ra,
Ra, Mar.
Mar.
R. There is a dot at the end, right?
Yes, yes, really.
Okay. So
Tsek, tsek.
heck.
Ma, Ra, tsek, Mar.
Is it heck or shake?
Tsek, tsek. So
So
when you
can
read
can
it, we don't say tsek. It's silence. Okay?
Okay.
But it
Okay.
is called tsek.
Can you spell the sick? How do you spell the sick?
Because the word didn't come yet. Alphabet
Okay.
didn't come yet.
Okay,
I won't
okay.
say it. It
Okay.
will confuse more. Okay?
Okay. So it's Mara, and then check it's Mer. Okay,
Very.
okay.
If there is a tsek in between them, after the ma also, then you have to read them separately. Ma, ra, mara, like this. No, right now there is no tsek after the ma, so you read them together. Ma,
Okay.
ra,
Mara.
mar.
Mer.
Okay? Mar.
Yes.
Okay. So now let's try this. Someone, Sonjala.
Baka,
Pak.
Bak und
La.
Sipa. Baka Sipa.
Good try. Di mare. Okay.
Ist das ein Denkpo?
Very.
Sa Denkpo se.
Sa mare. La. La.
La Denkpo le. Pa. Lep.
That's it. Then pak.
Pak lep.
That's it. That's it. That's how
And
you
what is
build
pak
up.
lep?
Okay. Let's
Oh.
try Rodrigo Lainda. Di kharire.
Road. Pakle is road.
Mare mare. Pakleb dire. Don't look at the picture on the side. Okay. Di pakleb re. This is pakleb.
Okay.
Okay. First, okay, Rodrigo Lainda. Di kharire. Lokthang.
Okay. Pa, ka, pak. La, drinkpo, le, pa, leb. Bak, leb.
That's it. Pakleb.
Pak,
Pa,
leb.
ka, pak.
Pak,
La, dengpo, le, pa, lep. Pakleb.
Pak, leb.
Here, pakleb.
Pak,
Pakleb.
leb.
Mar. Pakleb. Mar. Okay, let's write down pakleb. Pakleb. Tia. Pa, ka, pak. La, dengpo, le, pa, lep. Pakleb. 崩胎了in the 崩胎了 di kharire. 崩胎 charan la in the di kharire.
Dik Pak lep.
Peago.
Teacher, what the last one you said le, that it should be per or la ding po le. Is that correct?
Yes, la, dengpo, le, pa, lep, paklep.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Okay. Pa, ka, pak. La, dengpo, le, pa, lep, pak, lep. Yeah, Tracy la in the dilotang. Tracy la yo samare. Yeah, Patty la in the Patty la dilotang.
Pa, pa, ka, pak, la, ding, po, le, pa, lep, pak, lep.
Peago. Patty la yakuduk. Okay, very
Thank you.
good. That's all. Okay. That's it. That's it. Oh. Tainda. Rodrigo la di karire.
La Shapju Lu Ka Lak
Lak mare shapkyu dua. There is shapkyu there.
Shap Shapju Loop
That's it. That's it.
Loop.
La shapkyu lu ka look. Very good.
Look
Okay. Tainda. Sonja la di karire.
Mar.
Pego. Ma, ra, mar. Yakuduk. Nyurmala inda di karire.
La, ma, lam.
Pego. Pego. Okay. Oh. Ya di inda. McGregor la di karire.
Pa ka pak. La dengbo le pa lip pak lip.
That's it. That's it. Pego. I'm experiencing good pronunciation. It's very good. Practice like that. Okay. Tadi inda. Kamachikua. Alona la inda, yeah. Di karire.
La naro
Lo.
lo ma.
That's it.
Lo ma.
That's it. Lo ma. Well, okay. Very good. Now we go to the next one. Okay. Yeah. Di karire. Alona la di inda. Mare.
Ma.
Uh-huh.
Kiku. Mi.
That's it. 7 billion me. Okay. Pretty much. Okay. Tara la inda. Di karire. Tara la.
A, ka, le,
Mare
dang
mare.
po,
Di. Ah.
ah,
Ma.
ah, ama,
That's it. Ah. Ma.
ma,
Ama. That's it.
ama.
Yakuduk. Okay. Tom Chen la inda. Di karire.
다 전부 대파 탭
That's it. Tet. Okay. Yakuduk. Tadi inda. Jajala inda. Jajala.
파, 카, 팍, 파, 땡볼레, 파, 렛, 팍,
That's it. Paglep. Yakuduk. Okay. 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 Jajala inda. Jajala di karire.
라, 샤프, 루, 카, 룩,
That's it. Inda. Nyurmalainda di karire.
Ma kikumi kami.
Yeah. Rodrigo lainda di karire.
La naro lo ma loma.
That's it. Yeah. Okay. The inda. Yeah. Sonja lainda di karire.
La lam
Pego lam. La
lam
ma lam.
lam lam.
That's it.
Mhm.
Pego. Okay. Now you can hear my voice and write down. Okay. This one. La ka lak pa lak pa. La ka lak pa lak pa. Okay. La ka lak pa lak pa. Okay. Spelling I will show you later. Let's write down and see if you can write down.
La ka lak lak pa.
That's it. That's it. La ka lak pa lak pa. Okay. Now this one. Ma naro mo ka mok. Ma naro mo ka mok. Mok mok. Okay. Ma naro mo ka mok. Ma naro mo ka mok. Mok mok. Lak pa.
Naro
Mok mok.
muk muk. Ma naro mo ka muk muk.
Ma naro mo ka mok. Again. Ma naro mo ka mok. Mok mok.
Okay. Muk muk. Okay.
Why
So
not
you
Momo?
yes, that's a wrong pronunciation. Okay. So let's say mok mok.
Muk
Okay.
muk. Muk muk. So momo is wrong. It's supposed to be muk muk.
Really?
Okay.
Yes. So this little pronunciation, very important from the starting. Okay. So this spelling, we can show it tomorrow. Today, you just guess it. Okay. So that's it for today's lesson.
So
And
we
Tomorrow
please-
or
Tomorrow.
Wednesday?
Tomorrow or Wednesday?
Wednesday.
Wednesday. Okay.
Tomorrow, please revision.
Okay.
And we can, if we revision properly, we can speak in 1-2 months. We can speak, write, read, and listen. All these things, simple things we can do already. Okay. So
Thank
please
you.
practice well and see you again day after tomorrow. And I will put the video in the WhatsApp. And
Okay.
those who couldn't attend the first class, look at that first class and then look at the second class also.
Okay.
Thank you. Trashid Delek.
Thank you.
Thank you, Tashi Dele.
Thank you, Tashi
Thank you,
Dele.
Tashi Dele, everybody. Thank you.
Tashi
Bye
Dele.
bye.
Trashid Delek.
Good
Okay.
night.
Okay, lasso, lasso. That's it, that's it. Oh.